There's a jump there. Hi everyone, are you guys here or no? GP, bye bye. Six, four. Hi. Hi guys, how you guys doing? So I see one person is on the live just right now. Jobless or jobless? Jobless is full bullish. H1 intraday setup 2621 2682. Oh, y ahora. Damn, memang ambil order ni. Hi guys, if you guys in the live, can I know if you guys in there, can you guys send me a message there? Damn, laju sangat. Instant 35 pip. But tonight it's gonna go up. Apa lambatnya? H4 punya order. Apa beza bulatan hijau dengan bulatan biru? So this green circle is the retail traders order, and then the blue circle, there are two blue circles you guys can see. This is a small, this is a big blue circle. The small is liquidity provider order, and then the big is bank orders. So you guys can see the price touched the blue bubble and then it went up. And then if you guys look into H1, this support area, also the end of the trend, it habiskan trend 2 and then took the blue bubbles order and then went up. But usually I will see the nearest one, but if it went below there and then there's no chance to cut loss or anything, I'll be looking into the next orders lah. But this one based on H4, it touched the order. Even the zone is around 17 pips only from here, so still valid setup lah to make a buy entry here. And then we have another 17 more minutes to a new candle to form, so I'll be waiting for the new candle here to make my next entry there. Got it, Rakesh? So actually these bubbles are the MBE. So usually what I will do, if the trend is downtrend, eventually it will go there, but not always, okay? Because we will be looking into the big orders. The blue bubbles has the much more stronger compared to the green bubble. So it taking the order from blue bubble here, and then it will reach this blue bubble. That's why I say it. I sent a prediction just now. Tonight gold will go up until 27000. 2700. Even though the trend is downtrend, maybe not this candle, maybe the next candle, it should be downtrend lah. But you see here, daily is a bit slightly uptrend here. When daily is slightly uptrend, you have to look for this one. This is the on the top, this is on the bottom. On the top, you guys can see 2704. So it will reach here before the end of the day. At least any of this bubble. Currently, I'm seeing a bullish trend. So it will reach at least until here, or at least until here already reached already lah. But this one small order already reached. Rakesh, are you using MBE or haven't gotten your MBE? Got it, bro. And then just now the sudden drop on gold because of jobless claim. 8:30 the price dropped because jobless claim. It's a full bullish news for USD, which makes the gold bearish. This is fully bullish for USD today. Bullish, bearish. But this is for JPY lah. So one bearish and then other all bullish. Haven't yet, just subscribe into the channel. Oh, alright, Rakesh. To get MBE, later you message me on my admin via the link I uploaded up there lah. You can click on the pin message and then can message me to get the MBE. Even in smaller time frame, it respected, got into the bubble and then went up. So that's how we trade. Whenever it enters into any bubble, we make entry. Okay, now you may ask, now it touched the upper bubble. Can I sell? Actually, you can sell for the scalping, but I don't recommend, because you look into the bigger time frame. M15 going up, M30 going up, H1 is going down, H4 is going down. So we have another 13 more minutes to close. So when the 13 more minutes, the M30 is closed, the next new H1 candle will be formed. So usually I'll be trading on the first half of the candle. Second half of the candle, I won't be trading. Now in H1 like this, right? So I can target the movement like this. From this bubble to this bubble is my target. But since we have only 12 more minutes, okay. Since we only have 12 more minutes to the candle close, it might take next candle to reach up here. If you want to say this is a liquidity grab, I won't be so sure, because news is super bullish for USD. Gold can go up later. And then recently there's a new attacks happening in the US just sent anti-missile, that what is named THAAD, new anti-missile system to the Israel. So that also make the gold went up so much yesterday and then the day before that. Got it, Rakesh. We have 8 viewers in YouTube. That's very random thing, rare thing. Touch 43 pips. Damn. Alright, Rakesh. Is Ramesh here? Just now Ramesh was asking about the class also. Why no Gmeet, bro? No, I just wanted to try. The official class I'll be doing, because last week I did Gmeet. Only few people joined, so this week I was doing live. Then next week I will be doing Google Meet again. Last week I did Gmeet, but nobody joined, I guess. Got any questions? I'll be sharing how this works lah, and then maybe the live trade something. Just now before I enter here, I marked here, but price hit and then flies very fast. Couldn't make an entry. Is New York started here? Not yet. Asian session, consolidation. Europe and London session, a bit of manipulation. If like this mean, usually based on session lah. If like that mean, gold will be going down. Maybe I'm waiting for the new candle to open and then I'll be deciding to buy or sell. Because based on sentiment, the gold should be going up 2720 minimum, people are saying lah. But based on the session and then the trend line I'm seeing here, you guys can see H4 downtrend, H1 downtrend, M30, M15 forget lah. But you guys can see Asian session inside the zone. It just consolidated inside the zone. But London session just went out, manipulation a bit, and then went down. So I'm targeting you this one. Asian session like this inside the zone. London session it went up a bit. So New York session should be like this. This is what I learned from ICT traders as well. They are using M1 at any movement as well. Anytime they are using M1. It should be like this or straight away like this. Okay, I'm waiting for the next candle to open. Anyone tried ICT before this? Ramesh or Rakesh or anyone tried ICT before this? Studied but never applied. I just started study like fast few weeks. It is really interesting. Give me a second. Guys, I'll be back in few more minutes. Just wait for me another 5 minutes. Thank you, guys. SMC is created by ICT traders. Smart money concept is created by ICT traders, inner circle traders. Give me a minute. I'll be back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Grab Asia, London liquidators, the overall trade is bullish, most probably price will go up. Yeah, that's what I'm guessing as well. Because the market already break the resistance. But you guys look into the H4. H4 haven't closed up here. Not a complete breakout. H1 breakout. H1 made a breakout. So based on H1, it's a breakout, retest, and then going up lah. Fundamental, it is saying complete uptrend. No more downtrend. It's gonna reach 2,600, something like that. Two 686 is order blocks and 82. What time frame is that? 2688. Yeah, here I'm seeing a lot of orders here. I haven't seen any bearish momentum as 1% focus say. FEG in H1, is it? Bold to focus? Sorry. Um, yeah, bold to focus. This is the FEG. If it break again this zone here, I'm gonna buy again lah, because I'm not selling this time. Previously, the market did the same thing. We will be selling around here, but market will be breaking again and again. So that's what I was trying to do, but I was careless a bit on the jobless claim thing. Currently, what trade are you guys in? Buy or sell, or not doing anything? Waiting for H4 candle. We got around 42 seconds to close. Making rejection upside and downside. Okay, new candle just formed. Looks like too much liquidity into 8-4. Yeah, this area. FVG lah, we call. Based on what are you saying too much liquidity in 2684, Rakesh? Okay, M15 time frame. What do you see there? Around this area, you mean? because this area reverse only one time. This evening lah, previously before this spike, it made a lot of rejection here. Tried FVG. Even US30 is currently at all-time high right now. This is all-time high of US30. Yep, all-time high. Anyone trade US30 here? It's even more scarier to trade US30. Oh, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin a breakout. For Bitcoin, I'll be making my re-entry around this area to buy. Because this is a weekly trend line breakout, and then we have to look into daily and H4. So daily and H4, okay, this zone. It won't be going down until this zone down here. To the zone. Okay, this is weekly trend line. Okay, weekly trend line as a proper breakout. But we see if tonight the candle doesn't close above the trend line, mean it's not a valid breakout yet, because we have another 10 more hours to the daily candle to close. And then this is the weekly trend line. Weekly trend line as a breakout here. Last time it made a breakout, but it left a shadow here. So we have to wait for the daily to break out, and then if daily breakout here tomorrow, for sure this one my first zone, and then this one my second. If let's say like went inside again, this will be my second zone to make an entry. Quite big range, but that's how we trade in weekly as well. The difference between these two zones is around 116 pip. If it break this zone, SL our setup, and then I'll be waiting here to make a re-entry. Daily shows until down here, it's not possible for now. I'll be waiting in H4, yeah, until here, which is around this area. This area shows a order block around here. This is the new order block lah. This is the old order block. Bro, I really want to tell you that I love your trading style. Thank you so much, but why is it, bro? Why do you love my trading style? What makes you fall in love with my trading style? Even sometimes I'm not confident enough with my trading style, always feeling like something is lacking there. I see that when you win big. Itu pun betul juga. When I lose a lot, but lose a lot in the SL lah. But when I win more than my TP. This part is the one I mistake lah, because this one is last week, 10 days ago. I ordered this before the 10 days. It entered the zone and then dropped. Cantik punya drop. How much drop? I missed the zone. 500 pips drop. I think Ramesh should have entered there. Daily it's too spiked. If I about to look into the Fibonacci, this is the one lah I'll be looking. Okay. Here, TP1 done, TP2, yeah, betul lah Fibonacci. Enter the M30 FVG. See the use of MBE. It enter the circle here and then drop. Yes, that's what I said. You know, we need mindset and courage to trade like that. Unfortunately, I don't have that much courage. It took me around 3 years to get that mindset, bro. To be honest, this year I got that mindset. SL, it's okay. A lot of SL, it's okay. Make sure you win, because your money management always should be 1 to 2 minimum. Your SL1, your TP2. So even though you lose 2, you win 1, you are in break even. You are not losing any money. Because this one I learned from the institutional traders. I'm listening to a lot of podcasts, how funded traders, how institutional traders are trading. They are trading with a lot of rules. Rules mean Okay, let's say you want to make an entry here. Okay, this one I want to make a sell. Why I need to make a sell here? Okay, let's see. This is for example. For me, okay, this is one. This is a resistance place, and then this is a FVG. So I have two confirmations, and then I can see this is a FVG zone, FVG2 already, right? Resistance 1. Then what else I can say? This is not a proper bullish engulfing. This is only two candles. The second candle haven't closed yet. But if not, if one candle doesn't engulf mean you need at least two candle to engulf. The candle haven't closed yet. So it still doesn't show me a bullish movement yet. If not showing bullish movement yet, I still have to wait for the candle to close. If it's engulfed mean, I can continue buy. But now sell, I cannot make any sell because it doesn't imply on my criterias. The candle need to close. Okay, let's look into the smaller time frame. Smaller time frame, this is a bullish engulfing candle. So you can continue on making buy lah. If I were the trader following on the candle confirmation, I'll be making an entry buy around here. Buy around here. If the support of MBE, I'll be making another entry in this next bubble. I have a few criterias, but which I forgot it as well because I written it down in the book, which I have 5 rules lah. I should trade at certain time. Not every time I should trade. I will be trading only on London and New York. I won't be trading in Asian session. And then for gold, I reduced trading in my personal account gold. I'm trading more to GBP JPY. I won't be trading more than one pair at one time. So if I trade GBP JPY, I won't be making my personal entries in gold. If I trade gold, I won't be making my personal entries in GBP JPY. You have to stick to your rules. Okay, and then one more thing, always my itchy hand lah. Even though whenever it hit TP, I don't want to close. I will be waiting to get more profit. But you have to close. If it hit your TP, you close. If you want to hold, make more entries and then set it with BE. Don't hold without SL or TP. Always set your SL and TP. Just now also, okay, I lose this. Okay, you guys can see? Can see, right? Okay, this one I lost just now. If it hit my SL and then see it's dropped again. But my SL is around 30 pips in GBP JPY. But I took 20 cent trade lah. So because I'm following my money management, it hit my SL, then don't trade. If it hit your SL, don't trade. If it hit your TP and then the next trade, don't trade. Wait for the next day. Don't overtrade. Alright, don't overtrade. Whenever you overtrade, you lose all your money. That's what I learned. And then I'm trying to be more focused on trading 1 or 2 setups a day. If there's no setup at all, I won't be trading at all. This is more my another account lah. I got few accounts, so I'm getting more strict on my trading setups. One account to flip and then to give signal to trade every day, because my job is to give signal and then to guide you guys as well. But one account I'm trying to grow consistently because I want to apply something. Let's say I want to be a funded trader in some big firms as well. I need to follow the rules. So that's what I'm trying to do. Haven't still achieved what I need yet. I'm trying to do it slowly but surely, guys. Based on MBE, you guys can sell right now lah. This zone, this is a sell zone here. But based on the fundamental, it is gonna go up. So I'm not gonna take any risk because this is all-time high zone. All-time high zone, you guys always have to be very careful. That's why I was looking into GBP JPY setup as well. GJ made a huge gap here. So today for my personal trade, no more trades. The big account, I'm no more trading. That day, Ramesh, if I'm not mistaken, asked how many dollars you started. The one I started from $5,000 to $6,000, and then I'm restarted again in $5,000. So now my balance, I left around $4,797. I restarted around 5,000, so I'm on negative $202 lah. Because this week I didn't got a proper setup for swing or intraday. Because I'm trying to put 1 or 2 entries only. I put bigger lot lah, 0.2 or 0.5, something like that. Bigger entry, but with this bigger but lesser entry. You understand, right? So this week still on the negative side. And then as for gold, it's all-time high. So the another account, big account, I won't be trading at all. Only for the signal account, I'll be trading and then giving signal based on that. You must have the rules. So now are you guys, yes bro, you will achieve whatever you want. You have that much of potential. I have to thank you bro to encourage me like that. Sometimes this week my setup haven't jadi, I'm on negative $200. So I mean I've been down lah. Cause I haven't hit my target anything at all. Macam mana nak makan ni? In other case, I'm seeing a HNS in gold, but which I don't want to believe in HNS right now because all-time high. You see here, this is a HNS. If form this mean, then it's a HNS lah. Okay, let's make it cantik. Okay, can you guys see a HNS here? Alamak, what the fuck is this? Okay. Have you guys got any question on MBE right now?
Sebelum aku datang, aku dah terus lebih jadi kat rumah aku. Jumbo.
Nak sikit.
Aku tahu aku masak api ni.
Nak sikit. Nak ni.
Jumbo tu kat rumah dia tu. Nak.
Dulu kat kedai aku ada. Ni tengah live ni sekejap. Bro, I have a question. Have you heard about Wyckoff methodology? Wyckoff pernah bro. Wyckoff I trade for Bitcoin only. Gold I tak pernah. Wyckoff is something like this. Okay lah, I forgot the pattern here. Wyckoff. Only for Bitcoin I use that. Other pair I never use because for investment purpose only I use Wyckoff, not for intraday setup. Okay. Now this is Wyckoff. Actually this part is actually simple. This is what do we call Okay, let me redraw. Okay, this is Wyckoff. So I can redraw again on top of it. Okay, something like this, right? Okay, this is Wyckoff, they say. Okay, what do you see here is a consolidation. This is a consolidation. Okay, consolidation, here is a fake out, here is a fake out, and then this is a breakout, and then this is a retest, and then you buy. That's all for Wyckoff. But they made it so a bit complicated lah. If you understand, if you see closely, it's just a downtrend. Or we call as a distribution, accumulation, another distribution, or manipulations. So these are manipulations. Okay, let me rewrite that thing. This part is distribution. This part is distribution, and then this whole part is accumulation or consolidation. Okay, this whole part is accumulation or consolidation. This small part, these two part here on above the line, manipulation. Sometimes actually this also, alamak, manipulations. Okay, this is Wyckoff method. Okay, you can do this is simply sideways and then breakout go, but you have to use this in a bigger time frame. H4 in a daily. Smaller time frame, as usual, support resistance, breakout, retest, buy, retest, sell, something like that. Do you understand, bro? You can see selling climax, the end of the selling. Now people are accumulating the liquidity to make a buy. Before I'll study, before recently, I thought Wyckoff is a great methodology to trade something, a new thing lah. But after I look at closely, Wyckoff is actually sideways and then breakout. That's it. Because the guy named Wyckoff wants something under his name, so he named it Wyckoff method. Same goes here. This is a distribution, this is a sideways, this is a manipulation part you sell, or you have to wait for the breakout, retest, sell around here. That's it. So you see Wyckoff distribution, this is distribution. Okay, let's look into the Wyckoff distribution. Do we have Wyckoff distribution? H4. Yeah, this is a Wyckoff. Too big, so I open daily lah. This whole thing is a Wyckoff as well, but too much of noise lah. H1. Okay, this part you can see end of selling, and then price went inside, and then price went inside, and then made a manipulation. Price is playing inside, and then price breakout here, retest here a bit, and then went up, and then price breakout again, and then went up. So now I'm waiting for the trend line breakout. So here's the place I'm gonna wait to make my entry. This is a Wyckoff as well. Wyckoff is not always look similar to what they draw there. Sometimes a bit tak cantik lah. If you look into H4, a bit cantik. So before this, you think Wyckoff is a something different trading style, right? It took me some time also to understand the Wyckoff. Oh, gold, it's playing with us. Anyone made an entry in gold? Distribution means if price is going on a nice uptrend or downtrend, okay, this is a distribution. It's going like this. Okay, this is a pattern breaker lah. Okay, this part is a distribution. If price goes like this is a impulse move, or we call as a manipulations as well. Okay, this is a impulse move or manipulation. This is a manipulation, and then this is a consolidation or accumulation. It's going sideways and then made a manipulation, and then it distribute again. So that's why I made this indicator. You go to M5, this one you can search in TradingView. Asian session, London session, New York session. Always these three will repeat. Okay, here there is a distribution happening, and then in London session, manipulation happening because it made a breakout here, and then in New York session, accumulation is happening, not going anywhere. This is what we call as this is a manipulation, this is a distribution, this is the distribution, this is accumulation. Understand now. This is yesterday's map. This is yesterday's map. Asian session distribute the liquidity, and then London session manipulate the liquidity, and then New York session accumulates, and then this will repeat again. Okay, let's see today what happened. Today in Asian session, there is a accumulation. It went a big sideway, and then London session, it went a manipulation. It went above the zone, and then New York session, we have to wait for distribution. The distribution, the thing here now, we don't know in which direction it's gonna go now. But I'm targeting more to uptrend, but MBE shows downtrend because I trust more fundamental compared to MBE as well. Sometimes because MBE shows only pending orders, but but the bank orders will make instant orders as well. You guys can see a lot of liquidity happening. M5 suddenly it went making a bullish engulfing candle. Suddenly a lot of rejections happening. Liquidity is coming in. Instant orders. Why it's making a huge candle here? There's no pending order. Banks are making instant orders. Entry at 72, 73 if it comes. 73, yeah. This zone this support zone here, because down here got a M30 FVG. I'm waiting here as well. Learn something new today? Thank you, Naveen, for the input. Yeah, this is a solid zone as well to make a manipulation and entry. Your rules are fine, bro. Tomorrow I send the rules because I written in the book. I forgot the criteria or all of the rules. I will be sending in the public channel. You guys can follow it lah. Not with me right now. Forgot to do a digital note. Any questions regarding the current market or any MBE right now?
Kena reset lah.
All right. See a lot of rejections. Na, 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 na. All right, guys. So I think you guys also not asking anything. I have nothing to share anymore because I want to do this as a MBE sharing session. Ooh, this one can buy. Accumulation, manipulation. So this is a buy, right? Should be buy. But a lot of big red candle. Learn something. You guys have any question? I'll be closing the live in 1 minute. I guess there's no more questions. Bye bye, guys. We'll be see you later. For those who haven't get MBE, you guys can get MBE in the channel. We'll be doing more live sessions after this. I've been doing less live sessions lately. I'll be doing more after this. I've gotten another AI mapping things as well. I'll be sharing once after I'm completely confident with that before sharing to you guys. The AI mapping sessions I'm sharing in community all from a bot lah, AI thing. I'll be sharing later. Alright guys, see you guys. Bye bye.